Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment Ask Me, and I'll try to answer. The information of this video are from mwallpaper.com on Google search. Our topic for today is CapCut Video Editor App installation issue. The question is why you cannot install CapCut application. Number 1, check your Wi-Fi or internet connection for connectivity. Number 2, please check your mobile storage space. If you don't have enough space in your disk, the app can't be installed. Number 3, verify that app you're trying to install supports your Android versions. Those are the tips if you encounter installation issue in CapCut. These are my reference of this topic from mwallpaper.com at Google search. Shout out and thank you so much to my channel member Mirasol Idlon TV, Bert Lambojo, and Mutia Atil. Thank you all. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.